TE Connectivity's D-2970 Dynamic Series PCB connectors are compact 5mm pitch, wire-to-board PCB connectors with field-installable, time-saving push-in clamp terminations. The push-in clamp and single-hand operating center locking lever, both designed to require no tooling, making it possible to cut mating time by up to 90% compared with connectors using screw latch locking systems. The center locking lever offers audible mating feedback to ensure safe mating, while a lower insertion force allows users to release the wires without injuring their fingertips. An IP20 finger-safe housing also prevents unintended operator contact with live components. TE Connectivity's D-2970 Dynamic Series PCB connectors are offered in configurations with 3 or 4 positions. 3 angled male headers are available, and all designs of the male header mate with the same female plug for design flexibility. The D-2970 series operates at up to 20 amps and 400 volts at a typical temperature of 55 degrees Celsius without further derating, and incorporates numerous features to meet strict safety requirements. These connectors provide a width savings of up to 26% for a 2-pole connector, or 13% for a 6-pole connector, compared with connectors using side locking. This allows a side-stackable PCB mounting of several headers next to each other. The D-2970 series is ideal for industrial machinery, automation and control, and building automation. For more information on TE Connectivity's D-2970 Dynamic Series PCB connectors, visit Mauser.com.